Hello, guys. I hope you're doing well. And I wonder what you've been up to. Hope you've been keeping yourself busy these past few weeks. And today, we're going to learn how to draw something real special. So get yourself a pencil and a piece of paper, and let's get started. I miss you all so much. Today, we'll be drawing tropical rainforest parrots. To draw the parrot's head, what we'll need is a piece of paper and a pencil. Make sure you have an eraser. You're going to draw a circle somewhere near the middle of your page, so you're not too far to the edge. And you're going to fill that one in a little bit. Leave a little white just if you want to have that shine in the eye. And then I'm going to draw a circle around. From there, I'm going to draw a curved line, like part of a parenthesis, and then I'm going to split that in half with another curved line. This will become the beak as we build this up, and I made that a little bit different than I had planned, so I'm just going to change that. And then from there, I'm going to make the main part of the beak. Maybe I do want that a little bit more pointed down. All right, so from there we're going to build out the head. Curved line, and from here I'm going to make one wing, and you can change this design. You can put some squiggles in it, you can make it a little bit less. Can choose the shape of this wing however you like. From there, I'm going to make the body and pull down one set of tail feathers. I want to draw a branch that this bird is on, and I'm going to draw another branch here for my tree, and this one I'm just gonna put all the way down to the ground. Well, that's not even the ground, that's more of the tree. And up here I'm gonna draw some little berries that the bird can snack on at a different time. And so from here I'm going to outline. I'm going to outline with a different color. And the main part of the parrot is red in this case, but yours could be blue, it could be orange, it could be any color you want. Don't feel like it has to look just like mine. Then I'm going to outline and fill in, filling in all of those areas with the striping method that we've done before. The striping method just gives you a slow way to color in a drawing to really get a very strong and bold colored in look. Okay, now that that part's done, I'm going to switch my color to trace the beak. I'm going to trace in this orange, and I'm going to fill in with the stripes to fill in all of that beak on the bird. Here's where the fun is. You get to plan the colors that you want in this wing. So remember, we're outlining each section with the color that we're filling in. So if I choose to go for blue here, I would fill in the squiggles, and then I would color that section in blue. And if you're using purple, for example, you would be outlining this section of the wing in purple and filling in purple too. From there, I'm going to choose a green. I think I want a green squiggled section in here. Going through this area again, finding a green to fill in to each part. And the final one, I think I'm gonna go for yellow to top it off with a nice yellow. And I'm going to do the stripes once more in the upper wing. After that, I'm going to find an outline tool to go over the eye, maybe over the beak a little bit. It's up to you on that part. I think it really does draw your eye more to the bird if you use the outline tool. Anywhere that you have a little bit of blank area, you could put some textures down. And what I like to do for a little enhanced look is draw the secondary wing that you can get a peek of from the other direction, from the other side. So I'm just gonna do the same pattern through the other side of this bird that is being overlapped by the tree branch. And I'm going to outline this section in the pen. And again, that was an optional element that you don't have to do. Okay. And before we color that tree, I'm just going to erase any extra things from the previous times. Now I'm going to outline the tree. So you also want to remember to add the bird's feet. So I'm just going to draw some curved lines that looks like a bunch of bananas. Curved again. And if you can't really see them too well, be sure to do this part first. I'm just gonna find a darker and wider tool, and I'm going to outline around them. And there you go. If you want your bird to be flying, just draw the circle and another circle, a curved line, the line down. Still follow the same steps of drawing the perched parrot, and then leave a space in between. Then you could draw like the feathers flying. And then the bird has more to be flying like so. Or it could be sitting about to eat some of those berries that were up on the tree. Oh my goodness, I just love drawing outside, especially on a nice day like today. Wait, do you hear that? Do you hear that sound? To you, you might have thought that it was a bird. But I like to believe that there are monkeys on my trees. Don't forget squiggly lines. And remember to add the feet of the bird if it's sitting on a tree branch. You don't want your parrot to have no feet, so don't forget. Color in one sitting on a tree. Or you could draw one that's flying. Thank you so much for coming to watch this first tropical drawing tutorial. Have fun, enjoy the process as you build your own parrot. I can't wait to see what you think up. And in the next drawing video, we'll be doing another creature from a tropical place. So come back tomorrow to see what happens next. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.